Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about 5 different outfit formulas featuring one article of clothing, and for today's video I'm going to be styling all the outfits around this trench coat right here. I got this one from H&M last year. I'll link the video where I was like hunting down the perfect trench coat, but you should be able to find a similar one to this pretty easily. The goal of this video is just to make putting together outfits super easy. Styling actually doesn't come very naturally to me at all, and I feel like my brain just needs some sort of logical way to connect everything. So my hope is that this helps me and you, whoever is watching this, to make the most out of our wardrobe. I feel like a lot of the times I'll just start reaching for one shoe and start wearing it with every single one of my outfits. But the aim of this video is to create really balanced outfits that are easy to replicate and just figure out what pairs best with what. As always, this video is just meant to be a point of inspiration or reference, so feel free to deviate from these formulas and wear whatever you want. These are just the outfits that feel the most aesthetically pleasing to me and what I would feel comfortable wearing. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the outfits. So for outfit formula number 1, we're starting off with some loose trousers and a fitted crop top. My definition of loose trousers is something that's full length and loose throughout the entire leg. And I think a fitted crop top is just especially helpful here because with all of the fabric from the trench coat and the trousers, it is nice to break that up a little bit and show a little bit of skin. For shoes, I really like to pair some chunky shoes, especially chunky sneakers with loose trousers. I think the flow from the loose trousers to a chunkier sneaker looks really nice, and you get a little bit of extra height, which is always nice when you're wearing a lot of loose fabric. Here's another outfit following the exact same formula. I just switched out the shoes for these chunky Oxford platform shoes from Doc Martens. This really streamlines all of the black and just shows that you can really switch up your outfit with your shoes while still keeping the same balanced silhouette. The other shoe option that I think works really well for this outfit is a pair of slim fitting ankle boots. Something with more of a pointed or squared off toe would work best, and this essentially works as the opposite of what a chunky sneaker would do. Instead of the loose pants flowing into the shoe, the ankle boots provide some contrast and elongate your foot. And for this outfit, I paired it with these cognac colored boots to contrast with the black pants, and it's an easy way to dress up the outfit a little bit more. And then since we've only been switching up the shoes so far, I also wanted to show you how the outfit formula would look like worn with a pair of looser jeans. Works just as well. I love how the outfit looks with these New Balance 550s, and then same thing if you wanted to dress it up and wear something a little bit more dainty on the bottom, then you can pair it with some nice slim ankle booties and it also looks great. The base of outfit formula number 2 is a cropped and or tapered pair of jeans or pants with a t-shirt. This is a go-to combo for me, and under a trench coat I think this outfit gives off such a casual and chic vibe. Since cropped and tailored bottoms tend to really highlight your ankles, I think the best shoe options to wear with this are ones that are really slim fitting and elongating, like loafers or low top Converse. That way your line of sight from your ankle continues to your feet and aren't interrupted by like a chunkier shoe. For this outfit, I'm wearing a gray t-shirt from Arquette, some Levi wedgie jeans, and a pair of black loafers. But switching everything up for another way to wear this formula, I'm wearing a vintage Nike t-shirt, some linen blend pants from Uniqlo, and some white sneakers by Common Project. I love pulling out these sneakers to wear with my tapered pants because they're a lot slimmer and more loafer-like than any of my other sneakers. Outfit formula number 3 is all about the mini dress. I'm wearing this black dress from H&M that has a little bit of a more roomy fit and a skirt that flares out a tad, and I actually think that you have a variety of good shoe options to choose from to pair with this look. My favorite is pairing this with some knee-high boots. Like nothing screams fall more than a dress with knee-high boots, and it's such a flattering look. It makes your legs look super long. For a more casual option, I also think loafers look really nice and chic. Some lace-up boots would look really nice, and sneakers are always a cute and comfy option. Starting with outfit formula number 4, the formulas focus more on athleisure and that certain aesthetic instead of just the shapes of clothing. I love trench coats styled with athleisure, and this outfit formula consists of biker shorts and a more fitted top. For this look, I'm wearing the Aritzia Sculpt Knit tank with biker shorts, also from Aritzia, and normally I wouldn't pair two things that are so fitted together, but the trench coat on top just makes everything more chic and comfortable. And then lastly, you have to top off the outfit with a cap and any type of athletic sneakers to really finish off the effortless and sporty look. Outfit formula number 5, our last one, is another one of my favorite ways to style a trench coat, and it's with a pair of joggers. It'll be perfect for when the weather starts to cool down a little bit more. This look would work really well with a pair of sweat shorts, and you could also go for other types of sweatpants as well, but I think something gathered at the bottom works best to bring a little bit of shape back in and prevent you from being overwhelmed by so much baggy fabric. So easy and comfy. A trench coat is great to just throw on over your sweats to instantly create a real outfit. Chunky sneakers and a cap, again, really make the outfit here and make it a lot more stylish. I'm wearing a white Banana Republic t-shirt with the Aritzia boyfriend joggers that are a little bit on the slimmer side, and I find that the top doesn't really matter much here. It could be a t-shirt or a sweatshirt as long as the fabric can layer under your trench coat, of course. I'm not sure how I feel about the tan and the taupe together here, but this sweatset is from Aritzia, and I'm wearing it with the New Balance 550s, which have been my favorite sneakers for the new season. Alright guys, that is it for all of the outfit formulas that I have for trench coats. If there's any other topic in particular that you'd like me to do another one of these videos for, let me know in the comments. It can be anything, like any particular style of jeans or shoes or something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!